Hello everyone, welcome back. So now we are learning cross product of relation. Here, cross product is something which returns you all the possible tuples, combination of tuples. What I mean by saying is, if we have, let's say, two R1, R2, and let's say we have X1, X2. So if you do cross product of these two, let's say this is one relation, this is another relation. Now if you do cross product of this two, it will give you R1, and then with R1 you have combination of these two, that is X1, X2. Then with R2 you have combination both, that is X1, X2. Okay, so it returns you all the possible combination of the rows. Fine. So this is basically cross product. So what we have to see is, the first one is that here this operation is really very costly and only few rows are meaningful for us. Okay, so generally what happens whenever we apply this cross product, it is generally followed by select operation. So let's write it down. Now let's say if we have two tuples or two relation R1 and R2, and these two relations have, let's say, number of attributes. Attributes is, let's say, A and B. Okay, and the number of tuples in both the relations are, that is, number of tuples are, let's say, n1 and n2. Okay, then in this case what will be the resultant, that is R1 cross R2, what will be the resultant number of attributes? So the number of attributes will be A plus B. Okay, and the number of tuples will be n1 cross n2, n1 into n2. Okay, now let's take an example on this. So here we have two tables and we have to find out cross product between these two tables, and these relations are student and grade. So let's consider a scenario and we have to find out the student name whose grade is A. Okay, so we have to find out, here we have to find out student name having grade A. So first of all, what we will do, we will find out the cross product between these two relations, that is student cross grade. Fine. Now I'm not going to show you the cross product between these two tables, it will go longer. I'll show in notation. So first of all, if we find out the cross product, we will have 3 into 3, 9 tuples in a relation having these name, roll number and grade as a column, right? And roll number and grade also will be there. Fine. Now there may be a case here, if you have, let's say, we are not considering that this table is referring this table, maybe some other table is there. Okay, I mean, what I mean to say is, I'm not considering that this roll number is here foreign key from this table where it is a primary key. Okay, the parent table is something else. Okay, we will just consider that these two are the given relationship. Now we will first of all find out student cross grade, and then we will select a row, okay, whose grade is equal to A. Okay, so G equal to grade is equal to A. Now the rows will be filtered out and we will left with the rows of the student whose grade is A. And then what we will do, we will apply project operation. So project, what is asked? Name is asked. Okay, so we will just project the row having this name only. So we will take name. Okay, so that's how the cross product is used in our relational algebra, and this is how it runs internally in the system, in any SQL system. So I hope this is clear. Thanks for watching.